Hello, Americans. Another friends, subscribers around the world. Guess what, man? Another snow video. Back again. And this is funny because I did the coffee video yesterday. If I put that video on, I haven't edited it yet. So did that. Was saying, man, it wasn't supposed to get a bunch of snow today, and as normal, them weather guys are wrong. It's blowing in my van right now, but I got you in there safe. I just wanted to show, down there in the flatlands, around the country and stuff, and I got one in there, but my doors froze over there on the van, so I was going to show you. But they get, you get those little brushes, those little brooms, man, for to brush the snow off, and the little ice scraper and stuff, That was cute. Us around here, I don't know if you can see it. That's our ice scraper snow removal for our vehicles. I don't know if you can see on there. Let's see. Getting ready to dig the bean out. You see it there? Yeah, you can kind of see it. Foot is going to suck now because I don't want my camera getting all wet. I'll show it for a minute. Just shoveled off the beast. See the green bean there, snowing like a Comanche out here. Looks like we're gonna get buried again, and I officially, myself, oops, sorry about that, man, I hit the wrong button. But I officially decided that this is Snowmageddon 2020. This is where this is going. This is 7 years we've been on the homestead. This is the second worst so far. So, anyway, man, well, oh yeah, this is how you do it in the mountains of Idaho. And this has already been cleared off twice. So, can't do a lot of filming out here. I may strap the GoPro on later. Was headed out here. It wasn't snowing like this. It was just spitting, and headed out to, been shoveling some stuff off. Was going to get back up, shovel the roofs again. And, lo and behold, it started dumping again. And, at this point right now, it don't look like it's going to end anytime soon. Let's take you a run through the thing. Why not? Alright, man. Showed this quite a few times, and as you can see up there on the got the beast over here dug out. Sorry, it's probably so loud with me talking right by the speaker. But as you can see, I'd shoveled the roof off. That's why it's kind of crazy looking. If you can see that on the cabin, shoveled it off, shoveled that off. See, I've already shoveled. Look how much is on that. I shoveled this whole thing off. Then I shoveled part of this off. This has all been shoveled. It hasn't done up too bad with the top of the cabin I did. Oh, I got some weird droopy thing right there too. It's kind of odd. Look at the motor. Alright, man, I'm taking you in to dry out and figure something out. Smokes, man, what is that? It looks like this is probably, maybe an hour since I was out there by the van and digging out you can hear the green bean out there running. I ended up having to put the charger on it. Check this out, little buddy. Little buddy. So funny, this makes it look so far away when really he is right here, probably 10 10 feet, but in this video he looks so far away. And actually I'm probably 16 inches, and it makes me look like I'm far away too. So just the way it is, man. So yeah, green beans running as loud. I had to jump start it. The Dodge's van was good too. I guess I can show this. I don't know why I'm putting in the snow. I don't know thing. Dug this out. Had to dig the 3 foot of snow on it. Looking for an item we sold that has been on for probably was before we started doing the listings. So it's been on for I don't even know, maybe 2 years. It's been listed, sold it, and it was before we started doing the inventory and everything the way we are doing it now. And I cannot find it. Oh, here comes the wind. The sun is out. Don't know how long the sun's going to stay out, but it is out right now. Look at him, man. He is so awesome. Just so awesome. That's what I'm doing right now. So go out and see if I can get the Dodge started, and I'm going to fire up the snow blower and run it down the road here before the next storm hits. See if we can blow this green bean out of here. Put this out. I should have put this outside. Hold on. Doggy, look out, Kyle. Oh, in the bank, in the camera truck. Hey. The green bean, look out, Kyle. Look out, man. Coming through. Oh. Alright. Green bean is free. I've been thinking about it. Whoops. So if I'd have thought about it, I would have set up the camera and showed. I just wanted to see if I can get it to go over that embankment and blow out of here. And sure enough, and here comes old Red's he's doing a round. I think it's the second time he's went since the snow season. Poor old fart gets wore out. That's awesome. Happy to have that out. Yes, sir. Dude, they're gonna make it. They're gonna make it. He's having a heck of a time turning around in this thing. Oh, he's got it. He got it, man. Kind of funny once you once you start headed down it, man, it's pretty. But once you start heading down there, we've dug down enough, man, that it's like probably 2 foot on each side. So really, if you get a good run at it, it's like a slot machine, man, or like a slot car. You can just go around the thing. But it's pretty tough. But that's about all I got for you today, man. Is very snowy and cold. We did find the got this covered back up. Took some of the stuff inside here, but did find the plaque or whatever that we were looking for that I kind of mentioned. It's funny because in the, like I said, I put it on. It's been on for like 2 years. And then we've changed the way that, we're getting ready to do inventory here in the next month. And anyway, so, we changed it all. So we thought, oh man, it's since, only Lord only knows what it got mixed in with or whatever. And I looked in the big stand-up display case. Kitty looked in the display case. And then even Kevin D went through the display case. Kitty, Miss Kitty was about to call it, when we call it, it's just like, dude, it's just, spending so much time. And it was like a, 25 or 28 bucks or something, which is, that's 25 or 28 bucks. Around here on this homestead, that's a chunk of change sometimes. So, I haven't heard him go back by. We might have a problem. So anyway, so the three of us all looked through that display case, and I'm starting to get concerned now. Might have him stuck on the road. But, so we'd all squirrel. So all three went through that display case, and then Miss Kitty was about to call it, and she thought to herself, and I came back out here and was, blowing out the road, and she thought, man, I ain't ready to give up just yet. I'm going to look through that display case one more time. And it had been stuck in between. It's a little wood plaque. It was the Waihee County. A little wood plaque, on a wood slab. Man, old too, man. Just an awesome picture. Another one of them things that I would have just rather kept. But we'd put it in to protect it in between two books, and the books had kind of got cockeyed where you couldn't see the edge of it, and she ended up finding it, so that was good before she called it. But that's about all. Oh, he's still there, man. Did you going to make that thing fall on my building? Where is he? There he is. It's funny the way this thing adjusting this. Look at him. It's gonna make that dang branch. I've got to cut that one off. I love my woodpeckers. So cool. Seeing what he's doing right now. Let's focus back in on him for a minute. Find it again. So see, he is can't really see him all over here. You might be able to do that. See, he's pecked his way in there, and now he's gotten in there to where the bugs are, so now he's having lunch. Speaking of which, I think I'm ready for some lunch. So please remember to like, subscribe, and share. It helps keep the lights on, the home fires burning, and the propane tanks full. And check out the links below and the eBay store and everything. It's helped support the homestead, and we appreciate that. For that, I thank you very much. And good Lord willing, and the creeks don't rise. We'll be back again tomorrow. See ya.